Hello there, everybody, and welcome back. I'm Daniel, currently wearing two ankle braces, Valvo. And speaking of multiple things, today our topic is multiples. Let's get started. Alright, multiples. Where to even begin? Well, multiples are kind of the yin to the factor's yang. So recall a factor of a number is any number that can be multiplied to produce that number. Whereas, when we multiply a number by any whole number that isn't zero, the product is a multiple of that number. Every number has infinitely many multiples. I think an example might help. Let's list the multiples of 4. Well, a multiple of 4 is just 4 times anything. So we could do 4 times 1, which equals 4. So 4 is a multiple of 4. Or we could do 4 times 2 equals 8. So 8 is a multiple of 4. Or we could do 4 times